If you wish to import your capital allowances additions from Excel rather than entering manually, navigate to the Capital Allowances worksheet and the Additions section. You can also access additions via the Capital Allowances section of the Client Setup tab and the W button next to Additions. With Additions open, ensure that you clear any populated rows within the Detailed Transactions section. Tick the box to enable the Excel import option and select the Spreadsheet import message to enter Enable Editing. You will see guidance for the spreadsheet formatting in the yellow box. Here we have created a spreadsheet with description, date acquired and cost columns. Highlight the cells to be imported. It is important that you only highlight the data and not the column headings before copying. Copy the cells, select between the blue stars, and use Ctrl and V to paste the cells. If you have made a mistake, you can select the option to delete the table and start again. Once you're happy, select the option to populate the table with the spreadsheet values. And you will see the entries in the Detailed Transactions section. In this example, one of our assets is a car, so we will select the car option. You also have the option to select if this is a capital item in revenue. Now select the drop-down to select the relevant pool for each item. Please note that subsequent imports will populate additional rows and will not replace the existing entries. To clear the table, use the minus button alongside each row.